morning. I'm out here in the morning air in Minnesota, and it's still a little bit cold, but the sun just feels so good, and I know how good that is for me, so I just really wanted to be outside. So I'm not going to talk a whole lot because I don't think it'll pick it up very well. I'm just going to tell you what we're thinking about today, and then just follow along in the motions as I back up a little bit. So this week we are working on Philippians 4, and today our verse to focus on is verse 5. Let gentleness be seen in every relationship, for our Lord is ever near. Let gentleness be seen in every relationship, for our Lord is ever near. I'm thinking a lot about joints today and how painful they can be if you have any arthritis or just haven't been moving a whole lot. As we get older, our joints can get very stiff, and so we're going to be gentle with our joints, and we're going to do a little bit of Qigong that helps with joints to be more lubricated and work for you a little bit better. So we're working on shoulders, elbows, knees, and hips today. Also focusing on gentleness with our relationships, and think about how God has been gentle with you, and think about who is God bringing to your mind that you need to be more gentle with. So that's what we can focus on today. So go ahead and find a place that you're comfortable with. Start with your feet shoulder width apart, your hands in front of your abdomen. Close your eyes and just soak in the Lord around you. It says that the Lord is ever present. He's all around us. Breathe in and out. Sense His presence around you. And in and out. Just give praise to God as you lift your hands to the sky. Oh, it's so beautiful. And feel His presence all through you. The other thing I want to say is, especially if you have any arthritis in your hands, just open them up, not to the point where it's painful, but stretching them a little bit while you're doing these pats on the joints, and then stretching the fingers. I'm just waking up the energy in those joints a little bit. Now we're just going to shake. Get rid of any stress, any stagnant energy that might be causing stress in any of those parts of our bodies. put your hands on your hips. And we're gonna just stretch these hip sockets and joints out a little bit as you just twirl around. Make sure you feel a nice stretch. And the other way. Stand a little bit further apart. Bring your hands up over your head, and then we're going to just fold down. Dangle here for a little bit. Get a nice stretch in your back. I'll go over to one side. Stretch. Back to the center. And the other side. And then roll up. I think we're just gonna twist in the spine a little bit. So put your hands on your hips, twist from your hips, and then twist a little bit more, and a little bit more. The other side. Have a blessed day.